Hey, hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video we are going to assemble this HP Pavilion series laptop. Okay, so in previous video we disassembled this laptop. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to show you how you assemble this laptop. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so first we need to put this RAM. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, here you can see these pins. There are, in this side there is lots of pins, and this side there is also lots of pins. So this is a perfect way to put this RAM. Okay, if you will turn this RAM chip, okay, here you can see lots of pin, and this side's very less pins. It means this is not the right way to insert it. Okay, so make sure you are inserting this in a right way. Okay, so just put this here. Okay, push it, and now just tap on it, and automatically it's connected. Now we're going to assemble this laptop. Okay, so let's assemble it. Okay, if you want to see the video of deassembling this video, that video's link is in description. Okay, let me now assemble this. Disassemble, blah blah blah. Okay, so now it's really easy to assemble this. Okay, so this is its cover. Okay, laptop's cover. Okay, just see these pins. Okay, and this is a hole for this pin. Okay, just pass these pins through this hole, and that's it. We assembled it. It's really easy. Just keep pushing on it, and you can hear that tap sound. Okay, if you're hearing this sound, it means it's connecting properly. Okay, so here you can see in this side, tap tap tap, ta-da! Now it's assembled. Okay, so now we going to attach this CD drivers or CD component here. Okay, sorry, CD component. Okay, so just make sure you are putting this in right way. So this is not right way. Okay, how you can know that? You can see the shape here. Okay, this curve. Okay, we need this curve in opposite side, so just turn this, and this is the perfect match for it. Okay, and now just push this, and here is also a connectors. Okay, and inside this there is also a connectors, so these connectors should be attached with it, and this is the part which holds that screw. Okay, now just do this and push properly, push it, and you will see the you will listen the click sound now. And that's it. Okay, there is no click sound on this. Okay, now just screw all these things. Okay, it's really easy, so we are going to screw now. Okay, भाई वो देखा गया हो. Just put these inside these nuts hole, or just put these nuts in these holes. Okay, so you can see this one. And one more thing. Okay, we forgot that button, one main button. Okay, okay, just take out this CD once again. Okay, and here you can see a hole for a nut. Okay, put this nut inside that hole, put this here, and screw this, not too much tight and not too much loose. Okay, that's it, done. And once again, just put this back, really easy, just like this. Okay, and now just screw all these. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this whole video now. Okay, so let's do it. Okay guys, so all these are screwed. Okay, so now let's attach this part. Okay, so here you can see it's matching here. Okay, and this one doesn't match with it. Okay, this one matching, so just put it here and just push or click and it's attached. Okay, now just make sure you're attaching it properly, press hard. Okay, that's it. And for other side, do same thing. Okay, lightly add and hardly push or tap, and that's it. Now also screw these. Okay, and make sure of one thing. Remember that from where you are taking screws and from where not. Okay, so remember this thing always, from where you taking screws. Okay, or you can also click the pictures, or you can keep the nuts safely and separately somewhere else. Okay, for different parts. So now laptop is ready. Now just attach the battery from this side. It's going to attach. Okay, so from this side, just from here and tap it, and that's it. Now let's turn on the laptop because it should work. Okay, so now we are turning on the laptop. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, so it's working really fine. Okay, so this is how you assemble your laptop. Okay, and if you guys wanted to open this screen, it is also very easy. Just unscrew these two in HP Pavilion series. Okay, and it will be done. You just need to pull out this, and sometimes inside these plastic areas there is some tape. Okay, two side tapes, so it can take some more power to open this. Okay, and open this really carefully. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you guys wanted to see disassembling video, okay, you can see that video in my channel. Okay, link is in description. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, you can ask me in comment sections. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye, take care. Bye bye.